Assalamu alaikum. First, what is autopsy? It may be defined as a systemic, extensive, elaborative, investigative examination of dead body, both external or internal, to find out the cause of death, manner of death, time since death, and for identification. These are the definitions. So we can see the dead body by external and internal examination by our own eyes. And every parts of the body or every organs of the body should be examined. And what we will found? Time since death. When the dead body died, when any suicide, homicide or any other occurrences on the dead body, any illegal acts on the dead body, any evidence should be collected from the dead body. Now, developed countries, they are practice virtual autopsy. But in Bangladesh or Southeast Asia, we perform only conventional autopsy, medicolegal or forensic autopsy. It is done in all unnatural or suspicious death. Unnatural means suicide, homicide, and accident or suspected deaths. Must be performed in the morgue or government authorized places. Requisition of the proper authority is required. It is necessary. Without requisition, you cannot perform an autopsy. Consent of the relative of the deceased is not necessary. Relative of the deceased consent is not necessary. It is medico-legal. It is ordered by the court. So it is you bound to perform the autopsy. You are bound to perform the autopsy as medico-legal expert or autopsy surgeon, performed by medico-legal expert. Who are the medico-legal expert of Bangladesh? Registered government medical practitioners.